Hey everyone, Random Randy here. This is just going to be a short little update video regarding what's going to be going on in August for me and for the channel. Firstly, I am planning to do Vlogust as frequently as possible. I know that I haven't had a single month anytime that I've done daily vlogs for a whole month where I actually had a video every single day. But usually I only miss maybe 3 to 5, so that's still a lot more content and a lot of uploading. So, if you're in the Facebook group, which is just Random Randy's Random Family, then you've already heard me talking about my plans for August, which I am going to call Anti-Augmentation August. Which is a really fancy way of me saying I need to quit buying stuff like now and work with what I have. I'm gonna do it for at least the whole month of August. I'm gonna try to stretch it farther than that because my interests are kind of starting to shift a little bit in regards to crafting. I still very much enjoy crochet and I enjoy knitting, but I don't see me making a lot of money with those things in the future. And no, money isn't everything, but I'd rather make crochet and knitting an enjoyable thing for me again, instead of feeling like it's all business grind, hustle, 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 and it just stresses the crap out of me and it's not really as much fun as it should be. So I'm still gonna be doing crochet tutorials on occasion, as I have done before. But I would like to start shifting my focus in regards to my business portion of my makes more in a sewing direction for now. Sewing and little things like stitch markers and whatnot, just because it's more financially profitable and a lot quicker than crochet. So for the whole month of August, the challenge is going to be not to buy any craft supplies. Any. If you are interested in joining in on this no-spend craft-wise challenge for the month of August, let me know down in the comments below the video. There are a whole bunch of people in the Facebook group who are super excited to be doing it. Because it's not even necessarily a matter of saving money on supplies, because I know that some people don't buy a lot and they don't do bulk buys like I do. But sometimes you really need to assess what you already have, because trying to figure out how to make what you want to with what you already have is a stretch of your imagination and your ingenuity, and you might come up with something awesome. So why not take a look at what you already have and see what you can do with it. Make it a make-do type of month. So, that being said, that's pretty much all I have for this short little video. I do have my Dark in the Park recap, which I'm actually going to be editing. I'm not sure if that'll go up before this or after this. Either way, these will be coming out within a few days of each other. And today is actually the 28th of July, so 1st of August is only a few days away, and then you're going to be seeing as frequent as possible content from me. I'm going to aim for at least 5 out of 7 days a week because, like I said, I've never managed to make a video every single day. And on top of that, I am starting to post more frequently over on my second channel, which is Seeking Sinister. That is where horror narrations and things of that kind dwell, and I actually had a few people ask if I was going to be doing more yarn tale style videos where it's just video of me doing something crafty with voice overdubbing on it of me reading something, and I would like to do that, but unfortunately recording just audio for me doesn't happen a lot because the kids are home and my audio microphone is a lot more sensitive than this one on my camera, so it picks up everything, and nothing will ruin an awesome narrative like hearing screaming children in the background or Legos slamming all over the place or any number of other things that happens with 2 small boys in the house. So yeah, that. So I just wanted to say thank you so much everybody for watching. Let me know what you are looking forward to attempting in this no craft spend month. Hello, cat butt. And I will catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.